Yeah, I think we're recording. So, hello everyone. My name is Mohamed Sami, and today I'm going to present my all-term assignment for RESM, Requirement Engineering and Software Model. My matric number is A12EC 4086. I'm from Section 3 TM10. So, our system name is the Turing Constant System. And so first of all, let's start with the introduction and the overall UI flow. So our software is Turing counseling system for the UTM counseling center. It will be a web-based client, and in this web-based client, the patients will be able to see the next open appointment dates on the website. The website will also display the names and specifics of the physiologists to who they have been assigned. The patients gain additional information about their visits, as well as about the individual they will be speaking with thanks to this. If the physiological cancelled the appointment, the website will also email the patient, so there will be like an email that will be inform the patient whether every progress is happening. Additionally, the platform can administer physiometric tests and automatically email a patient with their result. Saving a ton of time, the patient must first sign up as a member of the website in order to show the appointment. They must provide their email address and matric number in order to subscribe. Okay, so that's for the first part. Now moving to our use case diagram for the whole system. So now if you look at our use case, first of all here we can find the client, the staff and the physiological officer. So we have about 8 use cases. Okay, so I took a request online appointment. This is my use case 5. So let me tell you how it's going. So first of all, we're starting from the client. The client is going to create an account. After creating an account, the client is going to book an appointment, and if the client book an appointment, the appointment will assign to the physiological officer and also to the staff. And the physiological officer will confirm or cancel the appointment. And then after booking the appointment, the user is required to log in the client. Okay, so this is for book appointment. And for request all an appointment, it also will be from the client. So the client is going to request all an appointment, and it's extended from book appointment, and includes to start over again if the physiological officer didn't confirm the appointment request. Also, the client can take after done all this, the client have to take the physiologic test, and which is including the login to the client. And in the end, it will start over again from start all an appointment, and it's going again. So this is for the use case for the whole system. Now moving to the use case diagram for request all an appointment. So this is the use case diagram for my use case. First of all, the client will start to online consult session, and then the client have to request all an appointment button. It will be a button I will show you now in the system over here. Then it will send the all an appointment request to client's physiological officer. This is the Turing console system, and then the physiological officer will receive this information and is taking the action, taking the online session. Okay. The activity diagram for the system. Now let me tell you about myself, a fraction about the system, about the subject itself. So for me, taking RESM is more important, is one of the most important subjects that the student have to take in studying software engineering. It's very important to improve student skills while dealing with softwares, and learn them how to deal with building and building software. So to build a great software or website, we must learn a few steps to improve the software or the website we build, and that's what RESM is important for. So to give you the most important statistics to do this. The high fidelity prototype, and which I'm going to show now, is important because it's very important to improve the quality of learning. So if the student take the information and didn't show what he learned and do this information in real life, it won't be that much as it should be if he do this like what we are doing now in the high fidelity prototype. So push more ideas to make the students capable of converting ideas to real software that can be useful in real life. So let me show you the prototype demo. I put the demo here in the PDF file, but let me show you it's now in the real life. So here's the demo. Okay, so here's the demo UI. So here, as you can see, it says all an appointment, and let's say that the client name is Amir Ali, for example. And here we have the calendar, so the user can request more than one appointment. So let's say if the patient name, for example, is me, so let's say, for example, it will be me. I'm gonna type my name, and here I'm gonna say the problem, my problem, what I'm facing. Let's say headache, for example. Okay, so and then I'm gonna choose the color for myself to make my appointment as different color than others. And here I'm going to choose the date, what date I want to make the appointment in, and it's based on the dates here. So sometimes you will not find the best date for you because it will not available, and depending on the date you will see. So okay, same thing here, we're gonna choose the time from 2. Okay, and then we're gonna say book to book the appointment, and as a new appointment is here, the same thing. So the appointment is going to be here as those guys. If you look at here, we have Ali. He has an appointment on Thursday, 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and Thursday. The same for Muhammad, he has from 8:30 to 10:30. Saeed, Medhat, all these kinds. So if the user want to make a new appointment, it's very easy. The user can just click here to create new appointment, and it will show up this window for him again, or just click the plus button and it will show up this window for him. So that's all for the demo. Now going back again to the slides, let me give you my conclusion. So my experience was useful for me as a software engineer student, and my team was helpful also. And again, I'm going to say it again, learning RESM is important for any software student. We did our best in our project to make it clear and useful for anyone. So that's all for the presentation, and I'm very happy to study this subject. It was very important subject for me, and I learned a lot in this subject. So that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.